Welcome to our Excel training. Let's do a great method for adding rows to our tables in Microsoft Excel. For example, if you need to add 2 blank rows under each row in the list we have, all you have to do is write one on the side and pull it down with Ctrl, then copy it and paste it immediately below. Since we will leave 2 spaces, paste it a second time below, and when you click on the number here, press the right button, say Sort and sort from smallest to largest. You will see that 2 blank rows are added directly. It is a very nice method. It is a very useful method. If you need to add rows to a large number of data, we can use this method directly. If we need to delete the empty rows here, after selecting here again, by saying Find and select Special Go to Spaces. Select here, press Ctrl X without releasing it, say Entire Row and say OK, you can delete the empty rows in between directly.